Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your iPhone. So actually we do have two ways of doing so, and it doesn't matter if you have the iPhone 8 or 12 or 16, the process is almost identical. At first we need to go into settings, and here we have to scroll down to the general here. Now we have to scroll all the way down again to transfer or reset iPhone. We have to tap that, and here, as you can see, we do have erase all content and settings. What it does, it will erase all our data from our iPhone, and we will have the iPhone almost like brand new after buying it from a store. And this is the first way. The second way to do a factory reset on your iPhone is to at first prepare a PC. You have to at first connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC using the iTunes and put your iPhone into the recovery mode. So if you have the iPhone 8 or later, you have to quickly press the volume up button here, and then you have to volume down button, and then press and hold side button until the recovery screen appears. That's how it looks like. On your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you will have to hold volume down and side button together. On the iPhone 6s or earlier, you will have to hold the home button, which is here, and those top and side buttons, I guess, as I remember. Then on your computer, you have to choose the restore option when you'll be prompted, and this will erase the iPhone and reinstall the iOS. And actually, that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!